5 foods that never expire. Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something super interesting for you. 5 foods that never expire. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. Stick around because you'll be shocked at the list of foods that can last almost forever if stored properly. Let's dive in. Number 5. Honey is not just sweet, it's pretty much indestructible. Archaeologists have even found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs, still perfectly edible after thousands of years. Why? Honey's natural sugars, low moisture content, and acidic pH make it a perfect environment for long-term preservation. As long as you store it in a sealed container and keep it away from moisture, honey can literally last forever. It may crystallize over time, but don't worry, just heat it up. And it's good as new. Number 4, salt next up, is salt. It may be the most basic seasoning in your kitchen, but it's also one of the longest-lasting foods out there. Salt doesn't spoil because it's a natural preservative. Just make sure you store it in a cool, dry place. And guess what? Salt is essential for preserving other foods too. So stock up number 3. Sugar like salt, sugar doesn't go bad because bacteria and mold can't grow in it. It has an indefinite shelf life when stored properly in an airtight container, free from moisture. Got a sweet tooth? Well, sugar's not only a baking essential, it's a pantry staple that you won't have to worry about throwing away anytime soon. Number 2. White rice. White rice is a staple in many households around the world, and for good reason. If kept in a cool, dry place, it can last up to 30 years or more. The key here is to store it in an airtight container to keep out pests. Brown rice, on the other hand, contains oils that can go rancid over time. But white rice, pretty much indestructible. Number 1, dried beans. Next, dried beans. When kept in the right conditions, cool, dry and airtight, dried beans can last for decades. Just make sure they're sealed to avoid moisture and pests. Beans are packed with protein and nutrients, making them a perfect long-term food option for emergency preparedness, or just a well-stocked pantry. Who knew some of these everyday foods had such incredible staying power, right? Remember, proper storage is key to making sure these foods last as long as possible. What's your longest-lasting pantry food? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on awesome food facts. Until next time, stay fresh.